Foodie Chef Pete is here in the Carpizzo's Kitchen, all part of Heal, Eat, and Teach. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so today. We have almost 3,000 subscribers and counting. So there we go. 4,000 videos and counting. And many playlists to choose from and all different cooking things and talks and just you name it. I've been on this with my partner Anthony for over 2 years now, so we're busy. Okay, what I got going on the grill is I started with some potatoes because I'm grilling today. Today I'm grilling. We're gonna get some onion on here. Let's get some onion going. Alrighty, and I've got some oregano and some salt and pepper there. And while those are starting, I'm gonna come behind me because we have to have some meat. How about a nice pounded pork chop? Let's just get them right on the other side of the grill. And what we're gonna do is get these on there, and then I'm gonna spray a little olive oil on them, I think. Just a little, and spray a little bit more here. All right, and then let's get some salt on our pork chops. A little salt. Okay, some garlic powder I'm putting, okay everybody? Some oregano. Here we go, oregano. And the beeping you're hearing is the grill. It is ready. So it is hot. That's telling me it's hot. Some more salt over here, a little bit more oregano. And I'm making a vegetable medley today. I'm putting some onion, potato on the bottom, and I'm going to put some peppers next. So I'm cutting up some peppers here to go on our grill so that we can have some beautiful peppers here too. There we go. We're getting colorful now. How about we're going to cut some orange colored peppers. So we'll get some orange on there. Look at this. Colorful vegetables are good for your body. So remember, colorful vegetables are good. Greens, colors, everything is good. So a salad is great, but veggies to go along with your food is good too. All right, so here we go. We got all of this on here. We're gonna let these cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna mix them up. And the last thing I'm gonna put on here, and these pork chops don't take long to do because I pounded them. So what I'm gonna do is just flip them over, and then I'm gonna pull them off of here. Look at this. Then I'm gonna pull them off of here and set them in my warming oven behind me to hold until we get our veggies cooked. So some more oregano, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And that's all you need. If you like pepper, put pepper. If you like any other kind of seasoning, a little sage is good because this is pork. And you get deliciousness there. Make a gravy if you like to have to go with your pork chops. And these are thin, they don't take long to cook. We're gonna leave them on this side for a few more minutes. And then I'm gonna pull them and put them in the warming oven. Okay, all right, so while that's happening, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna cut up the last vegetable that I want on my vegetable side of the grill today. And what I'm cutting is some squash. So whatever you have in your refrigerator is good. Fresh veggies are always good. They're good to give us fiber. They're good to give us vitamins. And whatever.
Water. We need the water.
And water. That's right, Anthony. We need water. We need fiber and water. Okay, water-based veggies and fiber. Okay. All right. So here we have these, and I'm going to get my spatulas here, and we're going to get under these and kind of move them around. I always start with the potatoes on the bottom. You can start with whatever you like. I start with potatoes on the bottom here, and I like them to get nice and burnt with the onion so that it makes a beautiful, as you can see what's happening already here. Beautifully done.
The brown caramelizing.
The brown caramelizing, right. Okay, now let's just move this over here out of my way. And what we're going to do is let these go for a little bit, then we're going to cover them. These are ready to pull. I'm going to pull these off and put them in my warming oven behind me, just the way they are. I don't want to dry them out, but then I don't need them on the grill. They cook very quickly, okay? All right, so in the warming oven these go. And this side of the grill we won't use now. We will use this side, okay? Now you can also, if you like, put the green bell pepper. I just put the 3 rainbow colors. I didn't have green bell pepper, but you know, use, if you like peppers, use what you like. Hot peppers too go good with this on the grill. Hot peppers go really good, and so if you have those nice little peppers, just remember when you cut them not to touch your face, because you'll get burned. I made that mistake years ago, and believe me, I never do that again. So be very careful with your jalapenos and anything else that you might want to mix in here. Okay, so there we go. We're going to let this go like this, and I'm going to put a lid on this, and basically that's all there is to this. I'm going to add this squash right on top, just like this. Just like this. And then I'm going to come and get a lid for this, and we're going to steam these veggies under the lid of the grill. So this is the grill lid. That's what this looks like here. This is a grill lid. And all what we're going to do is just come here and grab this and get our veggies underneath it. All under there like that. And we're going to let these steam for about 10 minutes. And when we come back, we'll show you. See how simple this is, everyone? We'll show you how simple it is, and then what we're gonna do is plate it up and have a feast. So this is Peter Carpizzo's Grilling Today pork chops. And remember, you need to subscribe. You need to add to part of our Heal, Eat, Teach Carpizzo's Kitchen group. We are getting bigger every day, and we, have over 4,000 videos.
So you can get the videos, get the notifications, and the lives. Right,
because we're doing a lot of lives now, everyone. So you want to turn on your notification for Heal, Eat, Teach Carpizzo's Kitchen. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's holding the spatula, as always, out.